Hello, my friends. Welcome to Home Decor Inspirations, your destination for refined and elevated interior design. What if I told you your living room could feel like a luxury retreat, calm, sophisticated, and effortlessly elegant, all through the power of neutral design? Today, we're taking you on a luxury neutral living room decor tour, exploring spaces that embrace softness, balance, and timeless beauty. A place that doesn't rely on bold colors or excess, but instead creates a quiet, refined atmosphere that feels both modern and deeply comforting. And once you understand these design principles, your living room will never feel the same again. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button, because if you love sophisticated interiors and inspiring spaces, this channel was made for you. For a long time, luxury was associated with bold statements, strong contrasts, heavy decoration, visual intensity. But today, true luxury is evolving. It's quieter, more subtle, more intentional, and nothing represents this better than a neutral living room designed with care and precision. Imagine walking into a space like this. Soft light filters through elegant curtains. A neutral palette surrounds you. Textures gently layered across the room. Everything feels calm. Everything feels balanced. Because a luxury neutral living room isn't about simplicity alone. It's about refinement. It's about creating depth without noise. Now, let's begin our decor tour. First, the power of a neutral palette. These spaces are built around soft, harmonious tones. Warm whites, creams, beiges, light taupe, subtle grays. These colors create a cohesive environment that feels serene and timeless. Instead of contrast, the focus is on continuity. Each shade blends seamlessly into the next. Second, layered textures. In neutral interiors, texture becomes the star. Soft sofas, linen fabrics, plush rugs, wood and stone surfaces. Because when color is subtle, texture brings richness. It adds depth. It adds interest. It makes the space feel alive. Third, elegant furniture composition. Furniture in these living rooms is carefully arranged. Large, comfortable sofas, clean lines, balanced layouts. The seating often creates a sense of flow and conversation. Everything feels intentional. Nothing feels random. Fourth, statement lighting. Lighting plays a key role in defining the atmosphere. Soft ceiling lights, warm LED accents, elegant table lamps. In evening scenes, you can see how lighting transforms the space. It adds warmth. It creates shadows. It enhances every surface. Fifth, curated decor details. This is where personality meets minimalism. A stack of books on a coffee table, a ceramic vase, a candle softly glowing, a sculptural object. Each piece is chosen carefully, not to fill space, but to elevate it. Sixth, natural light and transparency. Large windows and sheer curtains allow light to move freely. During the day, sunlight creates soft shadows and highlights textures. The room feels bright, open, and peaceful. Seventh, contrast through warmth and depth. Even within a neutral palette, contrast still exists. Darker accents, warm wood tones, soft shadows created by lighting. These elements prevent the space from feeling flat. They add dimension while maintaining harmony. Eighth, evening ambience. As the day transitions into night, the atmosphere changes. Warm lighting takes over. The room becomes more intimate. The tones feel deeper and richer. This duality between day and night is what makes these spaces so dynamic. Ninth, emotional experience. More than anything, these living rooms are designed to make you feel something. Calm, comfort, clarity. They remove visual noise and replace it with quiet elegance. Now, imagine this. You step into your living room at the end of the day. Soft light surrounds you. The sofa looks inviting. The atmosphere feels calm and refined. You sit down. There's nothing overwhelming your senses. Just balance, warmth, and quiet luxury. That's the power of a well-designed neutral living room. It's not about adding more. It's about choosing better. It's about creating a space where every element works together to support a feeling of peace and sophistication. When all these elements come together, color, texture, light, and composition, your living room becomes more than just a place to relax. It becomes an experience, a reflection of modern luxury, a space that feels timeless. If you want more ideas like this to transform your home into a refined and elegant retreat, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And tell me in the comments, do you prefer an all-neutral space, or would you add a touch of color? I'd love to know. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next video, where we turn everyday spaces into extraordinary living.